So this is from Mandapa, Prabhu. By some good fortune, I stumbled across your devotees performing Harinam on the streets of London in the early 70s and was quite taken aback. They looked so otherworldly and happy. This planted a seed, and by the time I saw the devotees again chanting in the streets, I thought to ask, how is it you are all so enthused, blissful and knowledgeable? Srila Prabhupada, you made over 5,000 disciples during the time of your manifested appearance in this world, and one only has to watch a video series like Siddhanta Prabhu's to realize how amazing you were. You made and continue to make so many wonderful devotees whom you empower to do wonderful seva and who continue to do so to this day. It really is stunning how you continue to attract intelligent and sold-out seekers. I observed that no other new cult leader could do this. You immediately win the hearts of so many who come in contact with you and your disciples. You are so attractive because you do not cheat anyone, and you actually love all those who help push on your movement. So my question to those Harinam devotees in London was answered in several ways. Your menial servant, Mandapa Das. Hare Krishna.